Hey guys, and this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Our first look at the upcoming complete Note beast is finally here, thanks to the Leakster on leak, and this is based on the official factory CAD. So let's take a look at what's changed with the design on the Note 9 in comparison to the Note 8. So in case you don't know, this year we'll see a Note 8s kind of upgrade that the Galaxy S10 will be the absolute first Samsung phone to have an in-display fingerprint scanner. Now at the bottom we have pretty much the same configuration as the Note 8 with a new change, and that is the new stereo speaker system debuting for the first time on the Note 9. So the good old jack is still there, and we also got our USB-C charging port. Now the pen position, the S Pen position, is also the same. Something might actually push the camera even further on the Note 9 with the help of software. They might improve the camera picture quality by having a better image processing, but I honestly believe that it will be mostly similar to the S9 Plus. Nonetheless, it's gonna be a great camera. Now, more importantly, the front camera needs some upgrade as well. Need a little detailed selfie result compared to the current softness found on the S9 Plus's front camera. So all in all, it's a complete Note package, but in my honest opinion, guys, it's no major design change, which is why in the first look, it's very similar to the Note 8. The front is coming at 6.3 inches, which is almost the same as the Note 8's screen size, and it's also having the same bezel look up front, maybe a little bit smaller, around 2mm shorter overall compared to the Note 8, but it's not going to be that noticeable. Same button configuration can be seen, volume and Bixby on the left, while the power button can be seen on the right, but seems like it might actually be the same as the Note 8. Under the hood, we will see 6GB of RAM along with Snapdragon 845 processor / Exynos 9810 processor. The Crown UI is expected to debut as well on the software side, which is going to be amazing, and the battery is expected to be at 3850 mAh or close to 4000. We'll see how that will go. So there you have it, guys, our first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 design. Take a look at it, breathe in, and let me know what you think about this. Now let's talk about some reports. First up is the actual event date, which is leaked according to a new report published today, saying that the Galaxy Note 9 will get unveiled officially on August 9th, and that's about 2 weeks earlier than the announcement of the Note 8. The unpacked event of the Galaxy Note 9 is expected to take place in New York. Right. Now the main visual change comes from the back of the phone. We got our dual cameras in horizontal position. So Samsung is keeping horizontal position dual cameras in order to differentiate between this and the S9 Plus, which has vertical, so it's a nice move. And I showed you guys this sketch multiple times in the previous video, and well, this is how it's going to look. The dual camera glass is actually smaller than the Note 8, so it's not thicker, it's not taking that much space, and also the Note 9 has a much better fingerprint scanner position, which is below the camera, similar to the S9 Plus, much better than the position of the Note 8, and in my opinion it's even better than the position of the S9 Plus, since there's actual separation between the fingerprint scanner and the dual camera, so it's not joined in New York City. That's some awesome news because it means we are roughly 2 months away from the date of its launch. Also, the recent report has revealed one of the most important feature of the Note 9, and it's said to be its chip. If you have a Note 8, you don't really have to upgrade. Again, I will be doing all the testing of the Note 9 here on the channel. That, you know, it might change your mind, but for a Note 8 person, I don't think it's a worthy of an upgrade. It's much better to wait for the Galaxy S10, which is gonna have so many good things. So I'll be making a video about that soon. Make sure to subscribe for that, and again, let me know your thoughts about the new Note 9 design, some small changes here and there, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.